Back at Mobility Solutions for another video. Today we are comparing power chairs, specifically the golden CarryOn GP130 center wheel drive power chair, the golden Envy rear wheel drive chair, and the Jazzy ultralight fold-up power chair. We will discuss the pros and cons of each model, and the particular reasons why you should buy one over the other. So, let's get started.
Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. AffordableMedicalUSA.com is our main website. I got 3 chairs right here. I decided to do these 3 chairs because I want you to know the differences between them. When you're buying a power chair, you really need to know why you're buying the power chair. I know it sounds stupid, but there's some pros and cons. For example, this chair right here is a center wheel drive chair. And I really like how compact and small it is. If you have a small living quarters, I love the drive in the middle. It turns very well. The turning radius is in the middle. It turns right here. So I do love that. But there are some problems with this chair, or some cons, I would say. A reason why you buy this chair over this chair. There's a reason why you buy this chair over this chair. And that's why this video is for you. This is the Envy by Golden, which is a chair that they've been selling for years, that we've sold tons of. It's probably one of the first chairs that disassembled, and we're going to talk about how this disassembles, how this folds down and comes apart, and how this folds up. What I do like about this chair is it's got a high ground clearance. It has some pretty strong motors, some decent tire, and it should be used a little bit more in your yard if needed, but also a very compact power chair that could be used inside your house, but you can disassemble it to go places. And then right beside me, seems like it's been one of our top selling chairs lately, is the Jazzy Ultralight, and they did a great job with this chair. It's able to be used outside. Now, when I say outside, just keep in consideration reasonable places outside. We've shot a lot of videos with this showing you what it can do, what it cannot do. And this is a quick fold up power chair that's very, very nice, and probably it will be the easiest one to apply with. So if you're looking for a power chair, now there's scooters and power chairs. These are power chairs. If you're looking for a power chair and you want something to go to the stores and you're going every day, every other day to multiple different stores, or if you're looking for a power chair just for traveling, flying, this is going to be the easiest and best one to fly with and travel with. If you're looking for a power chair to use inside your house, but you're going to use it a lot more outside in the grass, you're probably going to like this Envy power chair. As long as you're not disassembled in a bunch, it's able to be disassembled, and it's going to be a lot more affordable than the Jazzy Ultralight. If you're looking for a power chair for inside your house, and you're going to use it on hard surfaces, flat surfaces, it can go in the yard and stuff, but has hard compact. So keep that in mind. If you got really thick grass, none of these are perfect for that, but this one can handle it. But dips and terrains, it might give you a problem with the way this is designed. This is a great chair for inside your house. And if someone's coming to pick you up once or twice a week to go a couple places, this is very easy and manageable to fold and go. Not as easy as that one, but easier than this one, if that makes any sense. So, alright, one pro that this one has that these don't have, and you need to keep that in mind, is this one does allow for a swivel seat. So the swivel seat is nice if you need to get out of the unit and you don't want to pull that up. You can do that, or if you want it, whatever you might need it for. It has a swivel seat, where these two do not have it. So keep that in mind. If you have to have a swivel seat, this one out of these 3 is going to be your better buy. Another part this chair has that these two don't is it has a adjustable seat height about 1 inch. So you can go down or up 1 inch depending where it's at. It's got a very nice, comfortable seat. So does, both of these are still comfortable chairs. This is a little bit higher back seat. And a pretty big foot plate on here. That's pretty nice. You also have flip back arms. So do these. You can put this on the right side or the left side. The same with these. Now this was a little bit harder unless you buy it from us. You say you want on the left hand side. We'll go ahead and change that for you. This one can easily be moved over. Color. If you want to personalize, make them different color. This one comes in multiple different colors. This one you can change the shrouds out. This one's all It's a metal tubing. There's a little basket here, a little basket here. And then this one's just going to be what it is. It's just the black carbon fiber look. This one doesn't really have storage compartment, which would be a flaw with this. Not a big deal for my customers because they love it, but there's not really much storage. So make sure you can, kind of be creative. If you want to carry a backpack with you or something, you can do that, but it doesn't have a sharp pocket or a basket. All right, let's disassemble. This is what they call a disassemble power wheelchair, very similar to a Go chair. There's other chairs out there that Marriage Junior. What you do is you can take this seat. Well, first of all, keep this in mind. So this is a wire. You have to unplug this first. Bring this wire back. And I'm going to show you that this is a wireless disconnection. Wireless disconnection, fold down power chair, disassembles, wire disassemble power wheelchair, and fold down power wheelchair. So this is why I get to, if you're going out to a lot of stores and you have to disassemble this is a lot more work than you would have to do with these two other units. Undo that. Put this here. Slide the battery pack out. Now the battery pack can be charged through here along with the joystick. This is your normal deep cycle battery, so this is about 25 pounds. These are lithium batteries. Both of these offer the same type of deal. You can charge the battery pack separate from the chair, or you can charge it through the joystick. Now right here, this is 65 pounds. Back in the day, everyone had to pick this up, but Golden decided to make this split in half and give you a 37 pounds. So you need to be able to pick up 37 pounds. Not many people like disassemble and stuff like this, but the motors are pretty strong inside of here. They're very good motors, very strong chair. I really like this power chair. You can adjust the seat height right here, 1 inch up or down. This one's priced below $2,000. This one's in the mid twos. This one's at the low threes. All right, so how you disassemble this one, you come here, pull this off. No wires. It's wireless. That's awesome. You can remove the battery by pushing this button, pulling this right out. You can take this inside and charge. And then this pulls down. And it's compact, nice, about 46 pounds. Make sure you can pick up 50 pounds. If you can pick up 50 pounds, you can pick up 46. That's what you'd have to do when you're traveling. And you can put the seat back on here to make it more compact in your car if needed. I'll be honest with you, I've sold a lot of these chairs and that chair together. They have this just for their house. They have that for going places. Buying a lift's kind of expensive, and if you are going to buy a lift, you might want to look at maybe a different chair, because the reason why you buy these is because they do disassemble and come apart. Jazzy Ultralight. I take the seat cushion off, put this in the car. You don't want to fold this with a seat cushion. If you do, pull the seat cushion out before you fold it. But how you fold this, watch this. You use your hand if you like, or your foot. It's going to click. And then now you can put it here, put it in the closet. You can remove the battery right through here, take this in and charge it, or you can charge it through here. Now, you do have, so if you're flying a bunch, you want the TSA battery. If you're not flying at all, get the long range battery. They give you two options of batteries. One's up to 9 miles, the other one's up to 16 miles. That will depend on the person's weight, terrain, speed, and climate. This one's like 15, this one's 14. Again, there's some variables. Both of these are TSA approved. Deep cycle batteries are good to go on the airline. You can fly with this. I would leave it just like this when you go to the airlines. You can fly with that one. I would leave it just like that, and then disassemble it or fold it down for going to the airport or leaving the airport. When you're flying, I like to tell people to leave stuff unfolded. You do what you need to do. I think it's better to leave stuff unfolded. It's taken better care of. You also can bring this down, pick it up. They did such a good job. Another thing why I like flying with this one is take the battery out, Take that on the plane with you. If you want to take this off, make sure this doesn't get damaged. Everything's very easy to do. Front lights, back light. This one has a little backlight that comes on when you activate this. One does not. All right, hey, I got Uncle Tom. If you give us a call, you're going to get me, him, Mary. There's a bunch of people here. All right, we were just going over these power chairs. Traveling, loading into a car, which one's the best?
Traveling and loading into a car.
Well, what took you so long to come up with that? That should be like that.
I know.
If someone came in and said, I'm buying a power chair.
You didn't give me a few minutes to get ready.
I just got him out of his nap. Oh, lunch. Sorry.
I was eating my lunch.
All right. So he knows the answer. We would always tell you that. Outside in the grass. Now that one did very good. Which one do you think would be better?
Either one.
The motor's a little bit stronger. I think
the motor's a little stronger, and this is tried and true. I mean, this model's been around for years and years and years, and they keep it because it's still a big seller. Not really easy not the easiest thing to you have to break it down into 4 pieces, get in the vehicle, reassemble when you get to where you're going. And it can be a little bit heavier, but they have upgraded the seat. It's really a nice model now. They've done some nice additions to it. And it's a workhorse. I mean, it is a workhorse. Out in the yard, yeah.
Yeah, I think a couple of things about this one over these is adjustable arms, which this one can be adjusted. Flip back arms, which all 3 split back. This one also has an adjustable height in the arms. And then seat height can be adjusted.
Yes.
All right, inside, compact.
The only thing I didn't finish. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go right ahead.
I was going to say something else. Like inside of a compact garden and stuff. But inside of a compact house, obviously it's right here. And so, what do you think? What do you not like about this?
I'll tell you what I don't like about it. The seat is 16 inches depth. So for somebody that's bigger, they can kind of hang maybe 17.
So we're about 16 and a half. This one's close to it too, right?
So if somebody's bigger, they're kind of hanging over. You know what I mean? And the footrest, for that person could be out a little bit further. And that's one thing I have noticed is with bigger people, this is just, they need something bigger. This is, I would say for somebody up to 225, 250 ideally, anybody that's like bigger than that. Although being able to do these arms out, it's really cool. I'm sure Chris already showed this.
I did.
You did? I had a hard time. There it goes.
You get used to them.
So you can extend each arm out about 1 inch, which is a really nice feature and benefit. Gives you a little more comfort, a little more wiggle room. But like I say, anybody that's 275, 280, that seat might be a little bit too narrow in depth for it. So that's what I don't like about it. Everything else I like. And it doesn't swivel, but that's with travel chairs, that's the way it's going to be with small portable chairs.
Yeah, not many travel chairs will swivel. And to be honest with you, I know people will ask for the swivel on a lot of stuff, but a lot of people that have chairs sometimes don't even know that their chair even swivel.
Me.
Like me. And longer leg, that's a good point. This one has a little bit more depth, and the way it tapered down makes it pretty comfortable. It's almost 19 inches. So longer leg, probably be the best over these 3.
Plus, this has a mesh back, so it's going to keep you cooler. And if you don't really need this cushion, you've got a mesh bottom too. So you kind of got alternate, you got good airflow throughout the seat, which is nice.
And another cool part about this chair, especially, I talk about this, that you can't do with these other ones, is you can actually push it really easy. A lot of, if you get into a tight environment and you're with your husband or your wife or your mother or your father or your son, whatever, daughter, getting onto an elevator, you can push it, pull it off. Doctor's office, you can use it as a transport chair and then give them the option to use it as a power chair, or you can actually walk with it if you went to the zoo or wherever you went, and you can walk as much as you can. And when you get tired, you can sit down and use it as a power chair, where these two is not going to really allow you to do that. Even though they do have free will, this one moves extremely easy. You can get a headrest for this one also. Can't get it with those. Oh, yeah. Cool. Anything else you want to say?
All three are great units. They really are. These go out the door as fast as they come in. These tend to be here a little bit longer because they're more specialized purpose. And everybody wants fold now. Everybody wants something that either folds down or folds up. And then this is a wonderful chair. It literally does turn on a dime. Take the seat off, fold it flat, put it in the closet. You got two pieces. No cables to disconnect. And this has articulating casters, so it does give you a little bit of a smoother ride. If you've got a little bit of a bumpy surface, like getting out of the car, the concrete's broken, that kind of stuff, this might give you a little bit of a smoother ride.
Yeah, we used to sell a lot of these, but there's just a lot more stuff in our market now that just kind of, takes away from it. But, a good chair. Awesome. Well, thank you. This is Tom. If you want to speak to him, give us a call at 803-926-2224. If you're looking for a power chair, and price is the absolute number one reason for the chairs you're deciding to buy, this one's going to be the least expensive. Below $2,000. It's like $18.99 or something. Don't quote me on the price. It's on our website. Visit affordablemedicalusa.com. This one right now is about $24.95. Go to CarryOnUSA.com. It's going to go to our page for the CarryOn series. And so this one's going to be around $3,000. Now you have an option of the TSA or long range battery. So keep in mind, if you are going to be flying, grab the TSA battery. If you're not, take advantage of that long range battery. It's very nice. You can also use USA 05. That's 5% off. I'm giving it to you on this thing. You can give us a call and we can try to work out a better price the best that we can. We're not known for being the cheapest company out there because we have so much customer service. Also, if you want to actually see these in person, there's great local stores around your area. Probably just either give us a call or go to Golden Technology, Pride Mobility, find the dealer locator, and go visit one of these cool stores. If you don't have a store around you that's easy to work with and you want to use us as your local dealer, give us a call. We'll talk to you about the pros, talk to you about the cons. We try to find the best solution for you. But if you do have a good local business, please visit them. I think it's very important to shop local, especially when you're going to buy something like this, to make sure it fits you correctly. Some companies do a really good job marketing a product that's really not that good. That's just because it's all about sell, sell, sell. We're a little bit different. We want to bring you true reviews of products and true cons and pro videos. So leave a comment, ask us questions. If you want us to do more on these power wheelchairs, let us know. We'd love to shoot some videos. Or if you just want more information and want to speak to a live person, call us at 803-926-2224. Have a great day.
Let us know if there is any product you would like us to go over. We have a little bit of everything. And remember, subscribing is free, but experience and knowledge are priceless. Let us be your local dealer.